Male who is clean-shaved are believed to be more trustworthy than the ones who are not. But the reverse applies to attraction. Men with beard are more attractive than clean-shaved ones according to surveys. According to psychological facts of the male study, male wearing shirts look more attractive than the ones wearing t-shirts. On average, men rank humor, intelligence, and niceness ahead of physical appearance in long-term relationships. Male changes their minds up to 3 times as often as women do. Also, men are more likely to make impulsive decisions than women are. According to psychological facts of male study, males hate asking for help most of time, and will avoid talking any help until they feel they can't do it by themselves. Guys don't want to talk about their feelings too. Just because they don't initiate heart-to-heart conversations doesn't mean they don't like talking about it. Just don't make him feel threatened by your questions and he'll definitely open up to you. Most of male love their mothers and they express their love openly to her. But they respects their father even more, but they can't share openly even to their fathers also due to shyness. But deep inside down they have a huge affection towards their father. Men don't like comparison. They hate if any female will compare them to another male. Male has 6 times more amount of testosterone in their bodies than women. Testosterone impairs the region of the brain responsible for impulse control and attraction. When a guy hugs you while a girl's sleeping, at that moment, he's wishing you'd belong to him forever. According to the psychological facts of the male study, guys fear rejection, want attention, crave affection, and dream of perfection. Months before fatherhood begins, male fathers to-be experience hormonal changes. Their prolactin level goes up, and testosterone goes down. This change in hormones encourages paternal behavior. The pheromones of a pregnant woman may drift over to her partner to stimulate these changes. While females are commonly believed to be the more emotional gender, researchers have found that infant boys tend to be more emotionally reactive and communicative than infant girls, but they decide to hide this feeling against the world. Male who lose their virginity late have a higher income, higher education, and a more healthy relationship later in life than those who lose their virginity earlier. Some boys are very stubborn. These types of boys are never back down and never to heard no from anyone. They are quite angry and aggressive, but they have a special quality that is a passion for love and being loyal. According to the psychological facts of the male study, some of the boys have deep feelings for family's duty and responsibility than girls. Like girls, boys have also the jealousy factor. If any boy loves a girl, and another guy flirting with that girl, surely he will feel jealousy. Boys are competitive with loved